Check that view out yet?
Yeah, man, that's something in it.
Oh, it's gorgeous out here. We got a different sky every day too,
Yep.
so it changes all of it.
That's pretty awesome.
Alright, Kevin. Cool. Grab these and see you later.
Alright.
Have fun.
Here we go.
Alright, man.
Right. That is that first step again, a little hairy, ain't it?
It is, man.
When you're a big fella, you gotta miss that platform.
Go ahead and step over there for me.
That's what I was saying. Like this platform, I'm okay with, man. I don't even feel like I gotta hold on, but that right there.
Yeah, it's kind of just up in the air.
So wobbly, man. And plus, I know it's trees rooted in.
Yeah,
better than
better
that
than
pole
pole.
stuck in the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, she's twisting.
Uh-oh.
Good job.
All right.